welcome to Simply Made Fancy, and this is sea themed cookie edition. So I'm making some sugar cookies for a baby shower, and here we have onesies, bottles, little whales, mason jars, and rattles. And if you can take a look, I've already kind of started figuring out what I want everything to look like. My favorite by far is the mason jar, because the centerpieces are gonna have mason jars with seashells and sand. So I wanted to imitate that. So let me show you how I'm starting to put it together. And these are resting right now because the other details have to go on once the royal icing is a little bit harder. So I'm gonna just cover as much as I can and then add to it as the royal icing dries. So here is the mason jar cookie. You can get a mason jar cookie cutter. I got it at Williams Sonoma, I believe, and on sale, always on sale. So you're gonna need, of course, a sugar cookie, then graham cracker crumble with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of butter, just like kind of like a pie crust. I got these chocolate molds and I made little seashells, blue and white, and then of course your royal icing. So let me show you how I'm gonna do this. So that's the beginning steps of the mason jar. Now I gotta let the royal icing set for a little bit so I can create the borders and add more detail. done. I am so tired and sticky because working with sugar is a sticky situation. And now these are gonna just rest for the evening, so they'll be nice and firm tomorrow and ready to get transported and displayed in the beautiful dessert table.